A Foolish Heart. A short poem by Earl Sewell. My heart beats with the thought of her name, as I think of the woman who can never love me again. She's a memory of a time gone by, the one who priced each tear that fell from my eye. I remember the way she smiled at me, and how her laughter made me feel loved. The way her eyes sparkled with delight, when she holds my hands and kissed my cheeks. I was fooled by this woman, she was only pretending, and the love was not real. Call me a fool, because even though our love came to an end, my stupid heart still hopes, if fate would bring us back together again, and reignite the passion that once began, because love is sweeter the second time around. I miss the warmth of her embrace, and reality hurts. I can only think, but will never again be greeted by her beautiful face. So I'll hold on to the moments we shared, and the love that we once declared, for even though we may be apart, you'll always have a special place here in my heart. Thank you so much for watching my poem. If you have any thoughts about this poem of your ex-girlfriend, please let me know in the comment section below. Thank you, and see you on my next video. Bye.